Coinbase Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Coinbase's crypto investment platform are in the description. Let's dive straight into the review. Coinbase is one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrency. With access to over 200 cryptocurrencies, Coinbase allows users to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many altcoins, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned investors. The platform's clean, intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, while its educational resources help new users understand crypto basics before investing. Coinbase offers two main services: a simple buy-sell platform and Coinbase Pro for more advanced traders. The platform provides a secure and reliable way to invest with two-factor authentication and insurance on stored funds, offering peace of mind. You can deposit and withdraw funds using a range of methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and debit credit cards. Coinbase also supports recurring buys, allowing users to set up automated purchases for dollar-cost averaging, which can help mitigate market volatility over time. Transaction fees on Coinbase are higher compared to other platforms, but users get access to ease of use and strong security features. For more experienced users, Coinbase Pro offers lower fees and more advanced charting tools. Coinbase is ideal for individuals new to crypto investing or anyone looking for a secure and reliable platform to buy and hold digital assets. While fees may be slightly higher than other platforms, the ease of use and trusted reputation make it a top choice for many. Coinbase is also suitable for advanced traders who are looking for more robust features with Coinbase Pro. Overall, Coinbase offers a comprehensive, secure, and beginner-friendly platform for crypto investors of all levels. If you're looking for an easy entry into cryptocurrency investing, check out the links in the description to explore what Coinbase has to offer and see if it's the right fit for your crypto journey.